Oh god, what have I done? What have I done? Do I have to make foosball now? What's up, Tuna? What's up, Requiem? How's it going? I got plans. I got plans right now. I'm not gonna add foosball, but I'm gonna add everyone's favorite feature. At least I gotta fix the most requested feature, which is having the escape button. Lost the game. It was so much more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. This is so Requiem. I'm glad you're doing well. This is not normal for me. So right now, my schedule for the next 2 weeks is Tuesdays and Thursdays, my morning. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, evening. Saturday and Sunday, I don't know. I'll probably take off a day somewhere. But this is abnormal. Once I move and get settled in my new place, I have a feeling that I'm probably gonna go back to 2 or 3 days a week and not this 6-day a week thing. Wait, you forgot the question mark. If I put a question mark at the end of that sentence. So you always stream this late? Yeah, so nah. I'm enjoying my time streaming all the time. It's fun. But playtime's gonna have to come to an end soon, unfortunately. Tuna. Don't suggest foosball decoration? Or, is that what I'm hearing? Oh, so if you suggest it, I'll put it in the game. But I'm not sure if I'll make it a mini game. Like, that's a lot. Unless it's just like smashing the A button and the characters just like spin and spin and spin and eventually maybe you score. I'm gonna show off my cup today. Please stop. I love it. All right, I had an epiphany when I was making dinner. I was like, oh, I think I know why this thing is happening. So I uploaded a new version to Steam, version 0.1.5. So that's got some game-breaking fixes. I thought I fixed the graphical error in the town, but apparently not, and I need someone to confirm on Windows because I can't confirm. And I know why, like, it's these guys, it's this guy. The fact that this one's fixed makes me feel like, okay, it's still happening. But I fixed these guys. These guys should have been fixed. This upsets me. This guy should have been fixed. And I don't know why it's not. That bugs me. Bugs me a lot. Grinds my gears. Is there a hole in this? That's a strange hole in the nav mesh. I don't know. But that's not my main concern today. My main concern is getting this escape button working. Sneaky difficult. Sneaky difficult. So let's open up script. I think it's in the input system. Wait a minute, how does Mikey Bo have a gift sub? I thought he only received gift subs. Did he gift sub someone? That can't be. I don't believe it. Oh, that's very annoying. I hate when that happens. Oh, there we go, it worked. So the player nav. Player nav. So yeah, interaction, when interaction is disabled and we hit the escape key, we want to open the pause menu. And the problem is that this is still active somehow, even though it is paused, which interaction should be disabled. So print, escape, button, press. Crazy Mike! Crazy Mike's first! Shit! How's it go, Mike? Oh my god, I got like this old man congestion. How you doing, Mike? Doing well? Doing crazy? Man, that name. Yes. I got some new channel redeems today. All right, what am I doing? Testing. Gotta go to the cutscene. Cutscenes. So canceling the cutscene opens the pause menu immediately. No good. I don't know why we have input control during the cutscene and outside of the cutscene. In the town, go to the diner. Look for the red vertical lines. Yeah, the weird line thing. Did you ever get that? Scusi. Oh, look at that. Cutscene doesn't even... Okay, it does. It listens for escape. So here we are. Cancel. Cutscene. Hey, Ashley, how's it going? How are you doing? The weird fuzzy line thing. It looks red. Wait. It's fixed. The 4th? How's it going, Ryan? 4th what? Newly fixed. Nice. That's good. Okay, so it is fixed. So Jay, in the forum, or not in the forums, in the Discord, Jay said that he still had the issue after I uploaded my new build. So I just didn't know if he got it. And there's still one character that soft locks the game. That's crazy. But maybe that's... So, that's weird. Very weird. Where did he message that? Questions? Issues? Bug reports? Was that an old message? Am I crazy? Where did he... Maybe he just DM'd me. Where's Jay? I don't know, I'm so confused now. Who was it? I can't even find it anymore. Maybe he deleted it because it was fixed. I don't know. No, but then there would be my message that says, wait, I thought I fixed that. I'm all sorts of confused now. Oh, 4th person here, I see. Do you make a script for handling cutscenes? Do you ever use the timeline? Yeah. Excuse me. Yes, I have a custom script that makes sure to like pause the game and transfer all relative camera stuff to the current timeline. This has to stop. Nick, never. Not until I move. I'm gonna keep going. So yeah, I have this cutscene script that's like You can activate it from anywhere, and then it does some logic about like grabbing stuff from the scene dynamically. Does its thing, and then gives control back to the player. It's a little convoluted at the moment, but I feel like I might be able to, out of all the things in this game, there's a few things I might be able to package up and put on the store. The cutscene system, I might be able to package it up. Like, I bet I can clean this up nicely, and it's like a good, I don't know, good thing that would be useful for people. You made mad clips today, but I still made time for squats. Everyone should do squats every day. Please. Yeah. Always exercise. Our controller prompts for PlayStation controller Steam Deck. Right now, the only controller prompts that work are PlayStation. I think if it's a controller, it's a PlayStation prompt. I don't have late night streams. Yeah, we're going late night today. I have the other controllers set up. I just need, that might be something I want to do today as well, is explore how to figure out what controller we're using. You love it? I love it too. Alright, so let's see why this is not working. Alright, Nightbot, you gotta chill. I'm gonna lower Nightbot's, or increase the length that Nightbot spams us. Yeah, it's every 20 minutes, but that's too much. Or that's not enough. Do every 45 minutes? 45 minutes. That sounds better. Alright, if I hit escape, cutscene canceled and the escape button pressed, like, they both worked, which is weird. It doesn't make much sense. Because interaction disabled. If it's paused, or if it's not active, or if it's busy. When we're in a cutscene, we're definitely all of those. So that's my beef right now. It's almost like it's unpausing it, and then in the same instance, like the code is just happening at the perfect execution order to screw me. Where's the player? So we have the player systems, primary controllers, player nav. Let's see what's going on here. Debug. When we're in a cutscene, we should be inactive. No, we should still be active. We should just be busy. Like, that's what cutscenes should do. Make the player busy. So I'm in a cutscene and we're active. We're paused. So okay, we're paused, and we're not busy, but we are paused. And when you hit escape, oh, that's funny. So now the modal window opened up, which made the pause window go away. Now I'm all sorts confused. What happened? How's everybody doing? Happy Monday. Creep, Tuna, Nick, Ashley, Crazy Mike, Brian, Requiem. How is everyone? Requiem, you already said you're good. I'm glad you're good. Oh, and I added zone indicators, which I absolutely hate. I hate the things I made. I forgot to test it. I was too busy, too distracted. Yesterday, I said I started like posting clips to YouTube Shorts, and there was a moment that I remembered when 99 asked me why I was bald, and I was like, "Oh, I'll never find it. It's impossible. What am I gonna watch every VOD and find it?" It took me 15 minutes to find it. I found it. It's the best. So I clipped it and put it on YouTube, and I tried putting it on TikTok too. I don't think TikTok's the place for clips. You chilling? What are you guys playing? Fall Guys? Wait, that time the modal window didn't come up and we paused. I'm so confused. Nick's always being angry. So the player is paused. Look at that, he's still paused. The player's still paused. Does he unpause for one single frame just to repause? Like, what's going on here? Let's debug that because it's crazy. Your controller. Pause player. Where do we pause the player? Delayed set pause. So we always wait one frame. If we're paused, we unpause immediately. And if we're unpaused, we wait a frame to pause? No. Shouldn't we always wait a frame? There's a reason why I did this. Okay. I have notes. Your video editing. It's a very stressful job. It's not easy. All right. We do this because we want the player paused immediately. But we want to wait until the next frame to unpause. This prevents inputs from being used on two different things. That's literally why I did this. So what's happening doesn't happen. So why is this happening? Let's see. When does this get thrown? So when we hit cancel, when do we unpause the player? We stop all coroutines, it's fine. We stop whatever conversation is going on, and then we end the cutscene. And when we end the cutscene, we unpause the player. Okay, that's great. I wonder if these are happening on different frames. On down. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Right? I think I know what's going on. I say if it's pressed, I need on down. Pressed will just happen every frame. So that one time that it didn't happen, I would manage to hit the button for exactly one frame. Which is miraculous. Okay. I think we're good now. And then maybe I'll make the foosball. No, I'm actually not going to make the foosball. You're going to have to redeem it if you want to see foosball. I think I actually have a foosball table in that pack. That would make things easy. How long did it take you to edit Martinez and Clive? I think it took like 2 days. It was your idea, Tuna. All right, there we go. And if I hit escape here, okay, we're fixed. That was the problem. Oh, I feel so much better. Okay. We did it. All right, we got the escape key. It's gonna bug me because now I always hit escape to get off the bike, and it's gonna pause it. And the only way to get off the bike is to either press space or right click. So I gotta change this. I gotta change the input register. And that's in the bike controller. Bicycle controller? What? How do you spell bicycle? Oh my god. Bicycle nav. You can't meet Jeff? Really? Did I break Jeff again? Ugh, I keep breaking Jeff. Why not? So, what happened? You got the quest to meet Jeff and you've already met him, so it won't register that you met him? That used to happen a lot, but I swear I fixed that. I swear. So the hop off isn't cancel button anymore. It's the interact button. Yeah, I tend to break Jeff a lot. So now when you click, right click and left click. So right click and basically anything you do will get you off that bike. And so that means if you ever try to interact with anything on the bike, it will get you off the bike first, which that should be clear that you cannot interact on the bike because that's that. Yeah, basically anything you do, cancel button, action, interact, left click, right click, you're off that bike. You don't think you talked to him before getting the quest? Well, let's test it. Let's see. I'll recreate it. Oh, I didn't get the letter. Everything's so different now. I'm confused. No. I don't like it. I want Escape to go back to what it was. Can't believe you all made me change that. You did this to me. I guess it is easier though. I don't have to reach for the escape key. Just gotta get used to it. Alright, so talk to Eugene. So you said you didn't talk to Jeff. And then you went to talk to Jeff and you couldn't. Oh, wait, come back. He's got an exclamation mark. And he introduced himself to me. He said you said I don't think I talked to him before getting the quest. Oh, you said you don't think you talked to him. Okay, so you probably did. All right, well, talking to him or not talking to him first works. Let's try again. Also, let me mark this off my list. Escape key works. Can't meet Jeff. My introduction system is really stupid because I have it hard linked to them introducing themselves to you. And the quest to meet them is different. So if you meet them first and it doesn't trigger that quest as like complete, then all hell breaks loose. Alright, so I'll speak to him first. He says, "Hi there, my name's Jeff." So now you know. Now in the game you met him. Like a switch got flicked. You've met him. I didn't get the letter. God damn it. You have to figure out how to hit the menu on the alley. What's that? What's the alley? Steam Deck knockoff? Is that what you have? Oh, wow. Wait. Okay, look, it says I already met him. Cannot recreate. Oops. Can't recreate. Alright, well, I'll let you test. I mean, if it happens again, let me know. So maybe I need a button, like a clickable, like a pressable button. Oh, it should be like triangle, or the menu is You got it. Okay, not triangle, but like the top one, the north button. What is that? X, Y? Could be anything. Hamburger. What? What is this device? I need to see it. The hamburger button. Oh, the pause button, yeah. But what is this? The Azus Alley? Oh, look at that. That's cool. For a knockoff, it's pretty expensive. It's $1,000, or it could be. So the game runs on this thing? And that's a touchscreen? Is it also Linux like the Steam Deck? Oh, it's just like a Windows 11 computer. That's cool. All right, so that's good. That's good. Can't recreate. That means it's not a thing. It's not real. What did I want to do now? There was something. It was on the tip of my brain, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And that might actually take a while. I actually thought the escape key was gonna take a while, but it was just me being stupid. You know what I do need to do is I gotta make a software keyboard, because on the Alley and on the Steam Deck there's no keyboard, right? Oh wait, no. It has a software keyboard that pops up. Ameripon, how's it going? I don't know if you have a headset, but I did make a little trailer for the tongue game. I have a quest. I don't have it with me though. It was shipped. It's on a boat. It's on a boat with my PlayStation. Wait, what's... Yeah, the Quest 2, right? That's what it's called? The Meta Quest? Yeah, I have a Meta Quest 2. I was gonna get the third. Is this... Oh my god. Ah! So you have to break them up. Nerdmind, hello, and have a good night. We're watching a Marapon's trailer to the mouth game. Oh my god. Oh my god, those tongues. That's crazy. I love it. Good stuff. It's not for everybody. It's some graphic stuff. All right. Let's see. Let's read the list. That's what we do, right? We read the list. So thorns overlap on clutter. I think what I want to do... Oh, I know what I should do. When the thorns spawn, they should just eat whatever's there. Definitely not for everyone. I think I'm going to polish it a little more after the jam judging ends and get some good gooey saliva. Oh no, it's gross. I could do the controller thing. I wish I had another controller to test with. I only have a PlayStation controller. Maybe we can implement the Steam API today. At least I can get Steam Deck and like buttons working. Yeah, I'm here too, working on the fondue game. Great to have Andrew's company. I'm glad I can be some company. Moloch TV, how are you? We're real quiet today. I'm pretty low energy. I hope the lower energy's okay. So I couldn't recreate this. Could not recreate. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Could not recreate. Okay. First build, I can keep pressing the X button on a controller to take floor, then walls, then doors. Current build lets me take floors, but doesn't... Oh, right, the focus. Well, at the very least, you choose the music. That's all the mental space I need to continue. Nice. I do wish I had more variety in the music. I don't like it when Twitch mutes me because I like to post them on YouTube and I like to, I don't know, I feel weird about it. I don't like getting muted. So I try to only do safe music. And I know this thing is safe. All right, so this one might be good to do. If I hit the space bar, what I want to happen is I kind of want to switch from the mouse controls to the keyboard controls instantly. I want to do it instantly. So to do that, I feel like I need to overwrite the smart buttons input on click or whatever. What gets thrown? Smart button. So I have the eye pointer click handle. But what gets thrown when I use the space bar? Like, here's the thing. The event system. It's this thing, the submit button. The submit button is spacebar, right? riot? So how do I know I'm clicking that? 99. How's it going, 99? So let's go to the gift button. Mail gift button. Here it is. On click. You can't click it if it's... Almost lost my streak, man. I'm sorry. Don't worry about your streak, though. Don't worry about it. It's just a number. Do I need to get rid of it so you guys can stop worrying about it? I need to know when this is a mouse click and when this is a spacebar click. That's the thing. No, I'm at 6. I want to get to 10 first. Not all channels have it. I don't even know if you can turn it off. Mine went to 1 now? Listen, I'm glad it went to 1 because I know you've been here almost every single time. I know this for a fact. You don't need Twitch telling you. I know. You were here last time. You were here yesterday. Definitely. Yesterday was a good stream. Got a lot done yesterday. I felt really good. So the mail button. Let's just make a letter. Let's neighbor? Letter. I have a test letter that comes on the second day that says, here's some food. Let's make it come on the first day. And then I'll put some gifts in there. Recipe meal, BLT. So I'll add a few just to make sure it doesn't work. All right, so we're in mouse mode. I go here. We're still in mouse mode. Oh, look at that. In mouse mode. We're in mouse mode still, but I know this thing is selected. I can hit spacebar. It will select it. And I can't select this because the streak gives dash though. I mean, you've been here a lot. Can't you already afford everything? Is there anything you're saving up for? Except those awesome new sound alerts that I put today. It might perk me up, actually. I'm gonna play it myself. Yeah, you should already be able to afford everything. It might be hard to design a guest and add you to the credits. And
it seems the army had taken advantage of Buster's childlike interest in games.
This is so much more fun than Guest of Fur.
And his childlike inability to distinguish between games and reality. So they set him up as a drone pilot here.
This is crazy. People do anything for money.
All right, where's that from? Where's that quote from? Someone make me happy. You still can't hear them?
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
That's very strange that you can't hear those. How is it for everyone else? All right, I have it absolutely blasting now. absolutely blasting.
Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake.
Did you hear that? Was that audible? Or was it too loud? Tell me if that was too loud. That's nice. All right, I'll leave it. All right, I just want to see what's selected.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
Yeah, give slot 0. Give slot 0. And yeah, this is strange. I really want this to work. Any Unity people out there know how I can get a callback on this when this happens? So let's see. Interface for when input submit button clicked. Unity? Event system. No, not the that's the problem. Everyone's moving on. On submit. What's this? Go to your here we go. On submit. Press enter on the button game object to trigger this event. I think we finally figured it out. So if we go to a smart button, back to smart button, and we say, oh wait, is a gift? A mail button is just this. Weird. So if we go to on, if we say on submit, does that work? Public override void on submit. Base event data. Event data. Oh, look at that. It already worked. Base dot on submit. I don't know what the base does. Then, so here we want to say, hey, we hit the on submit button. That means we're back on keyboard, not mouse. So we want to refocus keyboard. Mouse input dot, no, input system dot mouse controls equals false? Is that what I do? Input system dot keyboard or mouse. I mean, I do it here. Anytime I button controls detected, that's what I do. Button controls detected. Button controls detected. So when I say button controls detected, or detected, I go back to the input system, and then it says mouse controls are false and control scheme updated. Okay. This might be it. This was a tuna suggestion, or tuna conclusion. I took one line of code. And I think we froze. No. Okay, good. What was it? Basically, so when you see the like when you see this white outline, there's a script. It's like a focus object. And when it's alive, it knows what it can select and what it can't select and how to navigate. Like, it knows a lot. But when you use the mouse, it goes away. And then it's like, all right, I'll let the mouse do its thing. So when you go into... oh, wow. Wait, did that completely break it? So when you go into the mailbox specifically, and you have mouse controls, that means the automatic like cursor goes away, but you were hitting enter on the keyboard. You were hitting spacebar on the keyboard to blast through this. And theoretically, the first thing will be selected. Like, the letter is selected. And oh, it looks like it worked. It turned the cursor on now that I hit the spacebar. Not you? Really? I swear it was you. Damn it, it's probably triangles. It's always triangles. Let's see. It was triangles. Oh man. I'm getting everyone confused. Who reports what bug? I should have tallied like who reported the most bugs, but it's fixed now. We don't have to worry about it. Problem solved. Click, click, click. So now when you use the keyboard to select something, it switches back to keyboard controls instead of mouse controls. It brings the cursor back. The cursor is our friend. Alright, that was pretty good. That was bugging me for a while too. So I can mark it. So decorations can be placed outside of the in area, including out of bounds. That's a big one. That's, I should probably fix that too. I don't want you to be able to just put them anywhere anymore. I used to think like, oh, I'll let you place decorations anywhere in the world. Just absolutely anywhere. I don't want to do that anymore. It causes too many problems. I need a decoration to place. Oh, I can grab the mailbox. Did you know you can pick up the mailbox? Put it wherever you want. So this is what I don't like. Oh my god, Nightbot. I lowered you to like 45 minutes and it seems like it's spamming even more? Chill. What did I do? It got mad at me. I didn't ban Nightbot, I just deleted the message. It's silly to have Nightbots spam so much. Oh, the interval. Okay, maybe this is it. 2-line interval. Let's say 30 lines. Okay. That's the problem. It needs to wait at least 30 lines for it to happen again, plus the timer. That should be better. You can't reproduce the Jeff bug, but it existed. I believe you, which is bad. I should address it. I should make it like pretty solid. So let me investigate. Let's see what could have possibly caused that. Jeff. Go to Jeff. And I go to chats. I go to Jeff's start. Okay. So actor Jeff have met equal false. And then also we set the entry quest state to success. You tried like 6 times, you can't recreate it. I mean, this is the thing. Meet the neighbors, 3 success. Like, as long as this gets called, we're good. Because nothing resets this. Yeah, might have to just wait for it to happen again. At least it's like a... At least it's rare, and it's the first quest, so if someone has to restart the game because of it, it's not the end of the world. It's not good, though. It doesn't sound good. I should make it so that every time you talk to them, you meet them. Right? I should just put this here. If I put that here, it'll happen every time. And to test that, I'm going to take it out of here. Oh, you know what? I'll take this out of there. And I'll put this... Okay. Foolproof. Yeah, I'll just constantly be setting it to success. Let's see if that actually works, because sometimes the start of the conversation, this stuff doesn't actually happen. Yeah, this is the start entry. In most cases, you should leave this empty and begin your conversation with its child entries. But let's see if the scripts happen. It's a good thing to test. All right, delete save files. Sometimes I get to these stages of the project and I'm just like, what do I do next? Like, getting the alpha out was big, and it felt like so much work, and it felt like I could never do it. And now that it's done, then it was like, oh, now I gotta fix all these bugs. I'm never gonna be able to fix all these bugs. There's gonna be so many game-breaking bugs. How am I gonna do it? And now that's done. And then the next hurdle is always like hard to figure out. What's the next hurdle? So I gotta make like a goals list. I did end up looking at a goals list before, and I promised that I have a demo by June. A demo by June, and then Steam Next Fest in like October, and then release in like at the end of the year or January. You think I can do that? Oh, snap! Sundown, how's it going? Sundown. Thank you for the raid. You guys know Sundown? He's making an awesome 2D Aztec dinosaur platforming action game. What's the exact genre? I don't know. Well, guys, welcome in. I'll play the trailer. My name's Andrew. Working on a game called Alpine Lake. A cozy game. This is Alpine Lake. Roguelike. Of course. Roguelikes are everything now. Someone followed. I don't know who. Thank you for the follow. Cat's Chimera, thank you for the follow. Sundown, post your Steam page. So yeah, that's what we're working on here. Thank you for the follow. This game looks so good already. It's a work in progress. We're polishing the alpha today. What did I say I was doing? Feature creeper, right. I don't know why I said that. I think I'm trying to fix all the features that are currently in the alpha so I can move on to like making the demo. Looks like your kind of game, cats. That's great. I'm trying to make the kind of game that is other people's kinds of game. All right, if you're not going to post your Steam page, I'm just going to find it. I'm going to find it. There it is. The Feathered Serpent. You had a long stream today. Holy crap. There it is. Guys, wishlist this. Follow it. I love how quickly you do pixel art. Like, just a couple brush strokes. Boom. Done. Looks great. Pixel art's hard. I think 3D is easy. Pixel art is hard. You think the reverse? Yeah, I mean, it's whatever you know is easy, right? 4 years of practice, nice. So cool. Really nice animations. Really nice characters. You're in Godot, right? So if I saw correctly, basically you go room to room or zone to zone, and when you get to the next zone, you get like a power up at the end, or sometimes you're offered a power up. Is that what I noticed? Or is it just after bosses? Good stuff. Wait, it's coming out like next month? You're gonna release this game next month? Is that real? That's great. Nice. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Like Hades, right? Yeah. No backtracking, just forward progression. Yeah. I like Hades style. Really good. You're absolutely not ready, but the deadline is helping me get work done. Is it a self-imposed deadline, or do you have like a publisher or just funds run out or something? I was literally right before you raided, I was talking about imposing deadlines on myself. Like, what are my next goals for this game? Because, you know, my current goal is to get the alpha in a working order. And it kind of is. Oh, your Kickstarter funds run out and you got my wage slate. Oh no. Wait, so you're not working right now and then you go back to work in April? Especially putting out demos. Yeah, I'm shooting for a June demo. Like right now, I'm doing an open alpha. Like anyone can join the alpha if you're on this stream. I have a very cheap channel reward or channel redeem to play the alpha. But for like a demo, like a big public demo release, I need time. I need more content. Back to work unless the game does well. Yes. That's nice you were able to take like a sabbatical. Or did you just have a new job lined up? Fox Hollow Games! Oh, shiz! How's it going? Welcome in. Wait, this worked. Tuna, it worked. I think we're safe. I'm gonna move this code to everyone. It'll happen every time. That's really cool, Sundown. I really wish I can do that. I did that actually when I first started learning Unity. I quit my job and I was gonna go freelance. And I decided, you know what, I'll take a month off. I'll make a game. Little did I know, a month was not long enough. Fox Hollow, I saw you were playing games today and you were not feeling well. I lurked for a minute. How are you doing? But yeah, I took a month off and I just to learn Unity, and that was a good month. And I ended up going back to the company I quit from to make them a game commission. And they're not a game company. They just needed a Unity game. I'm like, oh my god, I just quit to learn Unity. I'll come back, and it was great. Anyways, dude, your games love your game. Look forward to it. Thank you. Spend time with my wife. All right, yeah, you go spend time with your wife. Get off Twitch. Thanks. Yeah, we did an analysis of Shogun Sundown. It was a great time. Nice. Yeah, the game that I made for the company that I quit from, eventually it wasn't updated enough. I moved on to another place, and then another group of devs held the project, but they were also freelance, and then they left, and then eventually like Facebook credentials and Apple products, the cycles just kept going and depreciating features, and then eventually it just got kicked off the store. Wow, I butchered that name. Shogun Showdown. What did I say? Did I say Shogun Sundown? Well, yeah, you're sick. You can't hold yourself to the same standards as a healthy being. All right, Tuna, I'm gonna call this bug fixed. Love it. So up here, can't recreate. I'm gonna get rid of that, and we can recreate it. Okay, okay. Requiem, thank you for posting that. All right, so here's the issue. I know the issue. I thought I fixed it. Also, nice character. All black, just decked out in black. It looks weird. It looks like a black spandex practice ballet suit. It's kind of funny. I know the issue. It's because of the color sets. Can you actually go to the diner? What does it look like at the diner? It's a hoodie? Oh, it is a hoodie. Yeah. So yeah, for anyone new here, we've got public alpha going. Requiem's playing. Tuna was playing. Submitting bugs. Posting on the Discord. We're having a grand old time. And you can play too if you'd like. So let's see what's going on with that. If I go to the coast rock wall, what's it called? What do I call it? Shoreline? I don't remember. Content, prefabs, modular prefabs, modular ground modules, cliffs, stone tide wall. That's what kind of name is that? Stone tide wall. Stupid. It's oh wow, so that's not even the right brick. Now I'm all sorts confused. The stone pathway is affected too? Is it? I do see like these vertical or these horizontal streaks in it actually, yeah. That's very strange. What was the consensus, Fox Hollow, about Shogun Showdown? Is it worth it? It must be. If you were playing it while you were sick on stream, it must be worth it. Very strange. Let's go into Maya. Let's pop Maya open and see what happened. Maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe I didn't add the color sets properly. Oh yeah, wait, I definitely didn't. I only added it to a few objects. I didn't add it to all of them. That's the problem. Silly Maya. So that was in town layout. Terrible place for it. Where was that? Here it is. Stone brick wall. Did I add a color set to all of these? If I go to color sets. There is one. That's a problem. That's the problem. I mean, that's not the problem solved. That's a problem that's a problem because the fact that it has a color set, that's why it was breaking. But it's not breaking anymore. Ooh, also, wait, this is not called grass geo. Stone border straight geo. Stone border. Oh, this one's called grass geo. Does this have color set? It does. Color set editor. Modify? Can I modify it? Whoa, what does that do? Oh, it adds a mod node on it. That's weird. Why the hell would anyone want that? You know what I'll do? I'll bring in the object that works. So the object that works is this one. Ground 8. Why can't I find it? Very strange. What? It won't auto-select it. That's unusual. There we go. Round 8M. So this thing has a color set of color set 0, and this one's called just color set. I can't imagine the name matters though. I just don't buy it. I don't believe that that matters. I always forget how to view color sets. Let's see. View color sets. I always forget. Mesh display color set editor. There we go. In modeling menu, select mesh display, color set editor. Mesh display, color set editor. That's not what I wanted to see. I want to view it. Toggle display color attribute. Mesh display. Here it is. Toggle display color attributes. There we go. Okay. Ooh, look at that. If I toggle it on here, it doesn't do anything. Mesh display. Toggle display color attributes. So that could be part of the problem. Maybe I didn't add them right. Arrow, how's it going? Shogun Showdowns is great. Played the demo way too much. Nice. Welcome in. How you doing? I know you're a game dev as well because of the badge, but I don't know anything about you. Please introduce yourself. This goes for everyone. Feel free to drop links. I know Fox Hollow Games, awesome streamer. Let's give you a shout out. Been going great. It's been great going over it frame by frame and figuring out how they pieced it all together. Yeah, that does sound like a lot. Yeah, so this is our problem. For some reason, it has color sets, but it doesn't actually show them, or it doesn't know it exists. What if I just paint? I'll just paint it all black. So I'll paint vertex colors. Vertex, apply color, paint vertex color. Here we go. Thank you, 99. All right, you go eat your food. Have a good day. I'm gonna replace all color with black. There we go. Apply, apply, apply. I think this is the problem. All right, this is it. We fixed it. Hands down, guaranteed. I said that before. This time I mean it. I think it's fixed. But that's not the only thing we need to do. Where are the inside corners? Are they here too? Yeah, they're all here. You do dev? The badge is from helping out with a Steam community game a friend is making. I mostly finagled with Blender and Godot. That and bashing my head on Twitch integration. Nice. We'll be the judge of that. Thanks, I'll let you know when you upload the new version. All right, I'm looking forward to it, Requiem. I appreciate you playing the alpha and reporting bugs. And also, let me know if the game's like boring. I need to know. No, it's gotta be a little boring. Just please, just someone say, actually, maybe this is a little boring. Just someone say that, please. I know it sounds like I'm patting my own back, but you're all just being too nice. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. The last one's the worst. What, the Twitch integration? Yeah, that sounds like pain. My wife is actually gonna love it. I need her to play as well. If she needs her own key, let me know. You haven't tried it yet? Do you have a key, Ryan? Did you get a key or no? I got the bright idea that I can make a node graph program for stream automation in a couple of weeks. That was 2 years ago. Oh no. Oh, you haven't? Okay. Yeah, these projects, they balloon, don't they? I've been working on this one for 3.5 years. Hells yeah, ZT's doing some Twitch integration. Making a really awesome I don't know. Can I say? Do you want me to not say? I want to say it. Say it? Okay, fine. Fine, I'll say it. Jesus. He's making a colony sim. Like a Twitch integrated colony sim. So you can join the channel, control your character, spawn a character, control it, and everyone works together when there's a raid. Like it's like a competing colony coming in and got a battle. It's really fun. Twitch integration. Fun, yeah, fun. I thought what you got looked cool. Arrow, if you want to share something, you know, whatever it is, it doesn't even have to be pretty. If you want to share some work, drop a link. So it's not, I don't think it's not like moving the character around. It's more like telling the character to do stuff and then it goes and does it. Like you could tell it to farm or chop wood, stuff like that, right? Cook. Yeah, grab some links. I want to see them links. Ah, where did I put them again? No. I keep losing all my exports. This is a modular set. It should be in modular sets. But no. Where did I put it? I don't even have the town loaded anymore. Called it Coast Tide Wall. What a stupid name. I hate that name. Then ground modules. Grounds? No. Oh, you're in Palanir. Oh, okay. I was just there. He said he never heard of 7-Eleven, and I rage quit the stream. I was like, you know what? F this. I'm out of here. I'm going live. Can't deal with this right now. Yeah, I know Palanir. And his fantasy. No. Is he on? Is he still on? I want you to leave this chat. Go into his chat and be like, I just heard you don't know what the hell a 7-Eleven is. This is bull. It's crazy. You just did? I'm gonna watch.
Also, Control F2 renames. Ooh, thank you.
That's great. No, I was planning on coming on anyway. But that was funny. Yeah. This game is great. There's so much to it. So if anyone is confused, this is what's happening. Palanir Fantasy is like a Twitch integrated RPG with turn-based battles that you control one player and all of chat kind of joins the party, fights bosses, fights monsters, and navigates the map, right? He said no, he does know. He knew he was vaguely aware of it. But that's cool. That's cool that you worked on it. Do you stream as well? It is in modular sets. Where? In town terrain. It's in town terrain. I'm sure he's annoyed by it now. Working on exactly this kind of Twitch integration right now. JSON intensifies. Nice. Yeah, I flip between working on stuff for Valfan and my own stuff. Nice. Nice. Gave you a follow. Alright, where did I say I put this? Modular sets, town terrain. So what is this? Outer corner. I don't know why I did these individually. It's very stupid. I should have just done it all at once. Mostly Blender, models animation, just random Godot stuff. I like Blender. I think it's a respectable software. I can't use it though because I'm too old. I gotta use Maya. Maya's for old people. Blender is this new age. Everyone likes Blender. It's so good. It's a very good piece of software. This is what is this? Straight A. Straight A. Alright, I'm gonna try and focus just to export these things. Straight B, straight B, straight B. Straight C, straight C, straight C. Why did I do these individually? Inner A. And inner B. Inner B. Oh, and this is, yeah, this guy right here. Grass 1 by 1. Solid grass tile. This thing was bugging out too. So let me add this color set to it as well. So apply color, black, perfect. That should fix that. You know, some people despise it. I mean, I have respect for it. I hate using it. I can't. It's just too many hotkeys for me. Everything's hidden. There's like barely a menu. So I don't like using it, but I have a lot of respect for it. You know, I see what people do with it. There's no denying its power. You can't deny it. If you're denying it, you're just, I don't know, wearing a blindfold. Like I'm kind of worried that one day I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna need to learn it. I don't know. To be fair though, I tried left click select. Now I agree with them all. Blender left click select is the devil. Oh yeah, no, I just know people who don't like the workflow. You like your 5 billion hotkeys. I mean, the problem with 5 billion hotkeys is you gotta learn 5 billion hotkeys. Yeah, I don't know. What do you mean left click to select? What does F3 do in Blender? I don't even know. Oh wait, no, we don't. All right, so this thing I need to fix too. Basically, all of these have the same issue. Anytime I use a triplanar material, I need to update this. It's annoying. Range, please, 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 please. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Anybody here? Mikey Bo. We're here. How are you? How's it going? I'm real low energy today. If you can't tell. Another shout out to Gudetama. You're good? You're in bed? Well, turn your phone off. What are you doing? Go to bed. Did I get them all? I don't even know. This one I didn't get. Oh, double straight. Where's the... Wait, it doesn't have one? Weird. As for left click select, before Blender 2.8, Blender only supported using right click to select stuff. Because of massive community demand, they added a left click option. That sounds insane. I'm getting my Dosh and watch streak too. You guys are obsessed with it. I gotta remove it. I don't want you to care. I don't want you to care about your watch streak. But I used Blender before 2.8, so it's so I still use right click. And I found out recently that some workflows are just weird. Or just wired. At least weight painting. Oh, I see. There's a reason the feature request forms are called right-click select. That's funny. All right, so this one's weird. These names, I don't think these names match my export names. Paths, yes, okay. Corner outside round. Corner outside round. Straight A. Straight A. Thank you for the follow. Corner outside square. Inside round. Sorry, I need to say this out loud. My brain is a little, yeah, it's a little on fumes right now. Long day of work. Double straight edge. Solid tile group. That's the one that was screwing me up. Oh, wait, what? I had 2 double straights? No. Why do I have 2 double straights? Ah, crap. What is this one? Why do I have 2? Oh, no. Oh, no. Ignore. Let's just go back to mine. Hope everything's fixed. I mean, that sounds like a big deal to just completely change the workflow like that. Alright, let's just make sure we didn't break anything. Everything still has a material. We're all good. We're all good. Okay, look at that. Yeah, this is gray. Requiem. The fact that you posted that image and it was the wrong brick color, that's concerning. This is the material. Like, why were you able to see a different color? It was a big rework from what I understand. And to be fair, it seems like a lot of people like it. But there's this weird kind of not normal workflow I've been using for weighted painting forever. Yeah, it's strange, Requiem. All right, hopefully tomorrow it gets sorted. I'll re-upload tomorrow. And left click select, it's very hard to find. That's my problem with Blender. Everything was hard to find. Absolutely everything was so hard to find. It didn't help that, like, you know, I know what functions are called because of Maya, because of Houdini, because of Softimage. And then going to Blender, it's like, all right, now what does Blender call it? Oh, something completely new. Always use F3 to get stuff. I'm gonna open up Blender. One day, I'll just have chat teach me Blender. Wait, okay. So I have my controls on, so at least I can move the camera around. I can select. What does F3 do? Well, of course, F3, I'm on a Mac, so it does that. So this is just literally everything.
Making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake.
So if I want to like bevel, if I want to extrude, what can you do? If I want to shatter, what can you do? Bit gamey. Bit gamey. How are you? So you have to be, oh, okay, I see. So it's only going to do like 0 selection context stuff. I don't even know how to go into like edit selection. Edit mode, select the vertice. How do I select faces? Faces. Okay, look at that. Look at that. I remember. And then F3. Extrude. Okay, look at that. Extrude faces. I extruded faces. I extruded faces. I drew a line. What did I do? What am I doing? What is happening? Why is there a grease pencil? Fucking Blender. Just never again. Oh, I hate it. It's just there's too many hotkeys, so I accidentally clicked them. It's a me problem. It's not Blender's fault. It's a me problem. I'm constantly doing stuff like that because yeah. It's because I try and guess a hotkey, and then of course I'm gonna guess wrong, and then something crazy happens, and then I hate everything. Like, no. Why are you in Blender? No, it's Blender. We're just old, Mike. Mikey Bo is another Maya user. There's a whole fork that doesn't like hotkeys and just adds a billion buttons. Yeah, I'll learn it one day. I don't know. Maybe not. I'll just keep paying for Maya. Alright, I think that's fixed now. I'm gonna call it fixed again. I really hope it's fixed. Also, bit gamey. You pull faces, but that's different. That's different.
This is crazy. People do anything for money.
I love that. I got my new Adventure Time clips. You'll forever speed model with hotkeys. Well, yeah. Bit gamey. I know you like Adventure Time. I know this for a fact. Am I right? To be fair, my opinion on Blender is biased because I might use it for too much. Pixel art, video editing. You do video editing in Blender? Really? That's crazy. Wait, how do you do pixel art in Blender? I went to a con once where the voice of Marceline was on the panel. That's cool. That's a whole video editor. That's great. I guess I'm a sucker, you know. I pay for Maya, I pay for Adobe. Total sucker. There's all this free stuff out there. Workflow similar to Dead Cells. What do Dead Cells do? People come into my stream and comment on BMO. I say for legal reasons he's called not BMO. I have a BMO clip I want to add too. I love BMO. You did remove the BMO from the side and you changed the green. You made it a little greener and less turquoise. I see you. I see what you're doing. To be fair, I never said the video editor was great, but it does give me Blender hotkeys. Do you just like texture planes and set up a camera and then just swap planes with animated textures?
Making pancakes, making pancakes. Takes a bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Making pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes.
Thankfully, it's not that rudimentary. Okay, good. Dead Cells use 3D models that they cell shade. Create normal maps and scale down. Yeah, that's smart. Alright, so that was annoying because I thought I fixed it. Maybe I fixed it this time. Return to NPC conversation after chat. Oh, so Ruby broke. Ruby. Amit Coder, first time chatter. How's it going? Welcome in. Good morning. It's a really fun workflow. I'm actually using a variation of it to redesign the mobs and players for Falonir. That's cool. Gonzi! Want to play sticker poker and get yelled at? What's sticker poker? Oh, you mean from Miami? You talking about Miami? Sticker poker. I did get yelled at, didn't I? Oof, he yelled at me. I don't remember why. We argued over a rule. $1 year ago. Was that 1 year ago today? I was wearing that shirt yesterday. I was wearing my My Miami bachelor party shirt. Wait, so Arrow, you're rendering out the pixel art? So you're modeling the characters in 3D, and then you're rendering at super low resolution to be pixel art to match Falinir? So why does Ruby soft lock the game? Not cool. Look, it should just leave. Continue. Did I spell continue right? Check. Yeah? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, what is this? If 3. What is this? This is the soft lock right here. I'll let you in on my secret to a safe, long-lasting fire? What the hell is this? I think I forgot to implement this. Alright, we know why Ruby soft locks the game. Alright, you gotta go. It's actually way later than I thought. Have a great rest of your stream. Requiem, thanks for hanging out, and thanks for testing. Thanks for playing. I really appreciate it. If you do nothing else, I'm still eternally grateful that you tried it out. Sitting around a campfire reminds me of going camping with my dad. I'll let you in on my secret to a safe, long-lasting fire. But then I have this empty dialogue here. I don't know why. I think I just need to continue. Okay, she won't soft lock the game anymore. It's very, very strange. I don't know why I did that. Okay, moving on. You know the value of feedback. You're a fellow game dev. Glad you can help. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, what's next? What is next? Thorns overlap clutter. So that's a problem. So here's what I think I want to do. One-timers. Biome tutorial? No. Meadow biome? No. Clean up meadow quest items. Here we go. So there's a quest to destroy these thorns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. And when they spawn, sometimes there's already stuff in their way. I just want to delete the stuff that's in their way. So let's write a script that's just like, hey, I'm here now, and let's get rid of whatever else is there. These guys. How should I do this? So it looks like the logic is I turn them off. Is that what I do? Savable children save. I save their states. How does this thing work? Did I just unhide it? Uh-oh. No. It was always unhidden. Clean up crew. Yeah. It looks like I just hide it. So I need to figure out a way to say, hey, when this spawns, for real, because it's always there, it's just it hides itself when the quest isn't active. I can figure out when the quest is active. And then delete everything in its way. This is a complicated thing. What I could do is I can put a script on this thing that's just like, when awake, destroy anything in its way. Or I can do a really dirty thing and just make it so nothing can ever spawn there. That would be really dirty, wouldn't it? Does this thing have a decor blocker? It does. It does have a decor blocker. It must be turning off, and then the biome spawns the clutter. And then it turns on later when you activate the quest. This one's making my head spin. I'm not sure exactly what to do. There's a weird order to it, like an order of operations that I need to somehow fit the right thing in the right time. But I don't want to do like a ham-fisted brute force thing. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ham fist it. I'm gonna take my fist, I'm gonna turn it into hams, I'm gonna smash it. Every time I make a new script that, like, it doesn't fit in the system of the game, it just does one thing in a weird way, it goes in the utilities folder. I probably need a better way, a better place to organize these weird one-off scripts. Or I just need to really organize my utilities folder. All right, create C# script. It's gonna call it destroy overlapping game objects. Destroy overlapping clutter. It'll be clutter. These all get it. No, you won't let me? Come on. Why won't you let me? So it's going to be really simple, really dumb. Enumerator. So we need to wait for the biome to finish growing and blooming, and then destroy what's there. So let's do that. So the biome area throws an event that says, hey, I'm done loading. Let's see, where is it? Object loading started, object loading ended. Here it is. So it's a game event. So I need to listen for game events, see when the biome finishes loading, do my thing, get out. Wait, I can pass an object in a game event? Weird. Loading ended. Okay, loading ended. So if loading ended, so this can't happen in the inn. Oh, maybe it can. Yeah, I guess it can. We don't even need the on start anymore. And then private, public void, destroy overlapping, and destroy. And I do this a billion times. Just do a cube cast. What's it called? Collision. Physics overlap box, that's what I need. Okay, so how do we know if it's clutter and we need to delete it? Well, that's a good question. What is something that all clutter has in common? I don't know. I don't know if there is something that clutter all has in common. Let's just grab a piece. So, like a mushroom. A mushroom. Consumable mushroom. This is an interactable. It's got a box collider. It's got an item picker. That's not common though. It's a biome object. That's actually pretty common. I think all clutter has biome object. We're gonna do that for now. If it's got a biome object, we're gonna get rid of it. If other is not this object, if other.transform equals, oh weird. Yeah, if it's equal to us, obviously continue. If other dot get try get component, my new favorite thing, try get component out biome object. Object. If this happens, then other, then destroy other. Really? Is that it? Problem is, if this is a tree, if it's a tree, then it's not just destroying the other one, it's destroying the other one's parent. So it's not totally consistent. But it might find both and destroy both. So that might be okay. Although that could be a problem. Because if I'm in this loop, and I grab the parent, I delete the parent first, and then I grab the child, this child is null. So I should probably check for null. If somehow other became null after I deleted its parent. That's a weird edge case that I don't know if it would ever happen, but I might as well check for it. All right, so I'm gonna force something to be there. I can basically just say, I'll just put this mushroom there. No, I'll put something more visible. Like, twigs? What did I call them? Branches? Branches. So put that there. And basically, when I start this quest, come in here, that should be gone. Easy to test. What is going on? All right, there we go. We'll run there. Those branches should be gone. Oh my god, I hate my zone indicators. If anyone has a better idea for these zone indicators, some reference that they like, I hate these. I don't know why I keep them. Wait, I gotta talk to Jeff first. They need to spawn. Oh, look at that. I already know it didn't work because of this thing. Nope, didn't work. Huh. Let's see. Let's throw some debugs. Do it. If do it, destroy over. Oh, I'm a moron. I didn't even call the function. I just wrote the function without calling it. All hope is lost for me. Let's put this anyway, just in case. And then say we're leading other.transform.name. Okay. Let's do it. I should also write in my scripts why I'm making these little utilities, because I'm gonna forget. This script is to destroy clutter, obviously, or objects that are hand placed, need their own space. For example, thorns in the Intro to Forest Quest. That is so descriptive. I'll never forget that. I have this bad habit of not even reading my own comments. I just glaze over it. I gloss over it. Whoa. Whoa. I can't select anything. Uh-oh. Did that, I wonder if that fix for the gift buttons totally broke the way conversations work. Let's see. I mean, of course it did. Of course it did. Cutscenes? No. What do I want? UI. Event system. What's selected? NPC continue button. Wait, we're back. What just... I don't know what just happened. Whatever. Come on, Jeff. It's noon. You're not at work yet? Deleting branches, deleting branches, deleting branches. Okay, that's a good sign. It's got nothing on it. It's got nothing on it. It's got nothing on it. And this has branches on it. What? What? So these branches, why didn't they get deleted? Biome object, deleting, destroy other. Oh, I have to destroy the game object. It just destroyed the collider. Idiot. It's too late. It's too late for my brain. I like how it tried to delete it 3 times though. That's strange. Oh, it's because every time I... No? Why did it... Maybe 3 different things are finished loading. There must be 3 different things that are load. Oh, that's why I passed the object. So when something calls, "Hey, I'm loading," it adds it to the queue. It adds the object to the queue, so it knows when everything's finished loading. Okay. I'm remembering how my own freaking code works. Isn't that nice? Deleting branches, deleting branches, deleting branches again. I feel like it should have only done it the one time. Oh, but there's no branches now. Look at that. Alright, it worked. Great. Problem solved. Bug fixed. I'm sure we broke stuff, but we'll cross that path when, we'll cross that bridge. Cross that bridge when we get there. Alright, what's next? What is next? As I just entered the visitor center building, I freaking hate it. It's ugly. I do need to make that better. And then the town hall is like also half of a thought. Now I have I have 2 really nice interiors, 1 mediocre interior, and 2 terrible interiors. And then 1 interior that I didn't even make yet. So you know what? I'm gonna make that last interior, I'm just gonna block it in. I think I have a bunch of antique furniture that I can kind of cobble something together. And I wanna make it like, anyone's seen Gilmore Girls out there? I want to make it like Mrs. Kim's antique shop, where there's just piles of shit everywhere. Although, I probably won't be able to do that because... limitations. But I'm going to do my best. So let's make a new interior. Making interiors is what I've been doing all week. So it's fresh in my mind. What should I start with? Let's unload all these. Remove. Alright, so the closest thing is probably the hardware store. I'll grab the hardware store. So I need the scene, the location, the town's location to the scene, the entrance. And what else? I know there's more. I guess I need this. Okay, all these things. Let's make sure I'm editing the right one, like last time. So this is going to be basic Oriole antique store register. So it's gonna be called the antique store now. What's another name for an antique store? I don't want hardware store, antique store. It's lame. Is there a better name? Vintage shop. You could do vintage store. I don't know. I'll just keep antique for now. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of everything except the register, because that we'll just reuse that for now. I'm gonna go item by item and make sure I change everything that needs to change, because there's so many things that need to change that I keep forgetting. So the scene systems, there's nothing here. Oh, this thing, the save identification. I don't think this thing updates properly. If I'm duplicating scenes, this save ID is going to be the same. Let's see, if I open the hardware store too. Scusi. Is that the same? Oh, that's horrible. Yeah, I need to update that. That means that means all these have the same exact. Also, why am I even saving this? Doesn't even need. All right. We're gonna refresh it. This might mess up people's save files. Reset. Refresh. This is definitely gonna mess up people's save files. Not much I can do about it though. Reset. Refresh. And then unload that one. That means the diner also. Diners. Because I drove. They've all been derived from the same scene. Oh, this one actually has a different one. That's a miracle. I don't know why, but sure. Okay, warp locations. You were a pain before. You need to be the antique store. And the warp location. You are now the antique store. That leads to the town antique store entrance. Warp entrance. You are now. Well, you're still town. That's fine. The hotspot needs to be real antique store register. Okay, that's everything. Town. Oh, nope, that's not everything. I almost made the same mistake as last time. You need to tell the hotspot what location it's in. And you need to tell the town that the antique store is right next door. Adjacent locations. Antique store. Okay. Let's open up town. Town scene. So here's the antique store. I don't need this nav mesh modifier anymore, but you need to be able to get up these stairs. I hope the nav mesh can do it. Let's see, bake. Okay, the nav mesh, you can. So now this is an entrance. .25? How tall is this thing? 2. Alright, this is not the diner entrance, this is the antique store interior. And this is the target is the antique store interior entrance. Then set asset location. Alright. And we need a new waypoint. Convert or create next waypoint. Where'd it go? Why are you over there? Get out of here. I'll create next. Whoops. Create next. There we go. 2.5? Sure. And then this has a location. This goes into the antique store interior. Okay. Look at that. Turn blue. I forget how my own tools work sometimes. I need to make signs for these stores. Right now they're all signless and empty. Like this has shelves as windows and there's nothing in the shelves. There is a sign here and it doesn't say anything. Everything is like, I don't know, it looks like a ghost town. It looks weird with no text. But if I had text, then it's like, gotta translate it. Maybe I need graphics. Like I need logos for these things. It just looks dead. And this doesn't even look like a store. This just looks like a house, which was kind of the idea. That it was his house that just turned into an antique shop. All right, that should be everything. No, of course I'm missing something. I've been missing something every time. Let's think. I need to add it to the schedule. I need to add it to Oriel's schedule. So Oriel and schedule. So instead of going to town square and sitting on a bench, he's gonna go to work. Go to work. And he's not going to do it at noon. He's going to do it at 7 in the morning. That should be that. Did I click this button yet? I did. Set location data. All right, you know what? I'm feeling confident. Let's test it. I'm feeling confident. It's only 9 o'clock. Got all night. I might not go for a while today because I don't know, my brain's fried. It's new. It's 12 for you, yeah. It's late. It's late on the East Coast. All right. Do you think I get it in one shot? I never have. I always try. I always make a mistake though. All right. Well, it's a good sign. Oriel's not here, which means he's inside, and it says diner. I didn't get it in one shot. Damn it. But it does take us to Oriel's antique shop, and he is here at the register. I got no errors. That's a good sign. Hello. He chats. Nothing's wrong. If I leave, we go right outside his door. Okay, so the only thing I messed up is that diner text. Wait, does that say dinner? It says diner. All right, that's not that bad. I'm gonna say that's a win. No errors. That's the benchmark. No errors. So now it says, don't say diner, say antique shop. Antique store? What did I call it? Antique store. And okay, so also I have a hotspot that is Oriel's antique store that is the outside. the antique store, but now I want to move it to the inside because I'm going to move all that furniture there. So where is the antique store hotspot? Guest hotspot, antique shop. Oh, I called it antique shop. Is that true? Yeah, Oriel's antique shop. Okay. I guess I should put that on the store names. So this one should be Vic's Garden Shop. This one should, Town Hall. Town Hall's fine. It doesn't belong to anyone. This one's Carlos's hardware store. And then Melissa's diner. Oriel's antique shop. All right, I gotta be consistent with that. Nick, are you guys still playing Fall Guys? Wait, that's weird. Oh, it lost the connection because we were not in the right scene. Put it here. It's dumb. Wait, how did he get in there then? How did he get in there? This waypoint is not connected to the grid. So how did he find his way there? Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. It just knew to be loaded. Okay, it actually, yeah, the waypoint doesn't mean anything. Well. Now they're connected. Alright, we're good now. Rocket League Midnight Tournament. Triangles! Triangles, how you doing? I hit a bunch of your bugs today. I confused one of your bugs for Tuna's bugs, and I gave Tuna the credit. He's like, "That wasn't me." I'm like, "Oh crap, that was Triangles." Okay. All right, we're good there. We're good there. What else? What else? You doing good? Awesome. Make sure to give me all the credits. Oh yeah, you're in there. Curdy Bear! Curdy Bear, what are you doing? It's late. Sorry, Kurt. My bedtime is in 2 hours? That's late. Yeah, my bedtime's in like 1 hour. Also, maybe this should be connected to this. This is another system that maybe I'll package up and sell in the asset store. It's my NPC offloading traversal system. So they know how to get around the world without the zones being loaded because of these waypoints. You bowled the worst game of your life tonight? Oh no. Let me get, would you get like a 120? 140. I mean, for you, it's pretty bad. For normal human beings? I think they'd accept that. Alright, so I do kind of want to match... the design of the exterior. Which is... It's long and it juts out a little bit. It has these two like bay windows. Dougie. Did you guys win anyway, Kurt? You lost the entire night. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, this is going to end up being a ginormous zone. I don't like... Okay, it's not that big actually. It's just now I have these like half walls that I never made, but I think I can just scale these in. But then that scales this thing. You're off to Lego, have fun. Oh my god. It's a midnight Lego sesh. Alright, should I just do this? So I don't have to make half walls. Does Kurt do Lego? How can I see? Kurt, send me a picture of your crazy Lego table. Kurt's been doing a Lego that's like... How many pieces? 10,000 pieces? If I scroll up enough, will I find it? Here it is. This is insane! This is one Lego set. Kurtie doesn't stream YouTube or social. He just does Legos and bowls. What a ridiculous Lego set. It is Star Wars, yeah. The Millennium Falcon. One thing I don't like about this is this, like how I define the front of a building. Should I have like tiny little walls that indicate the front? I probably should, right? I feel like I want, it should start up here and just like scoop down real low. I'm gonna make one of those. I feel like it'll make these interiors look way better. I'm gonna do that right now. I want to add a little polish. That is in the layout, interior assets. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So, wall base. Basically want a new one. Like there's a little scoop. Do these UVs matter? I hope not. Because I'm gonna do this. So this is a wall base front corner, and then wall base front. Basically won't have this scoop. It'll just be this tall. Preview door. What is this doing? Get out of here, preview door. Oh, there's so much slurping going on back there. If you can hear my dog slurping away, I am sorry. So sorry. Oh my god, stop it. Oh, it sounds so gross. Alright, so this is all front. And then I need these tiny little pillars too. Oops. Whoa, why is that snapping? There we go. So this is corner pillar front. Okay, please tell me I have an export group that does it all at once. Fantastic. Did not want to do that individually again. Export. Send to Unity. Send it. Oh, now here's the real issue. Where the hell did I put this? Always. Interiors. Modular interior pieces. I think this is it. Right? Let's just double check before I overwrite something that I regret. Modular interior pieces. Yeah, this is it. I just need to, oh, I need to name the geo. This might make me feel better about the interiors. I was kind of down on them. I thought they were so ugly. I need to improve them. Alright, so let's grab one of these. So this is now wall front. New prefab. Instead of having this stuff. Select. Oh, we need a new base geo, apparently. Okay, so this is wall, base, front. This goes there. And we want front corner. We need you for rocket, please. I can't. PlayStation is on a boat. Please, we can't win with the Mar. What the hell, man? I showed up tonight. I can't play with you guys. Okay, did I do a good deed? Does this look better? I guess I need like a door outline too. I think it does look better. I'm gonna go ahead and say slight improvement. I need my little pillars, my little dudes. Where are my little dudes? Corner pillar. Corner pillar front. Oh, this adds some complications about these interior entrances. I can just do this for now. Just jam it in there. Yeah, that works. Oh, that's fine. That's totally fine. Is that fine though? I think it's an improvement. I just need a door frame. These things don't work. What can the door frame look like? Actually, yeah, maybe I just do this. Scale it. 25. 25. Scale it up a little. Like, can that be the door frame? Does that read door frame? I mean, the colors don't help. It's like identical to the floor color. Alright, it's definitely better. It's definitely an improvement. We'll improve on further later. This I do want to fix. Oh no. My internet, it's dying. Oh, we're back. Alright, this I can live with. It's pretty clear what it is, and yeah, it just frames the space better. Alright, so now, filling this thing up with furniture. Like, obviously I have all the furniture in the game that you can buy. I could start with that, like a cozy bed. No, single bed A, single bed B. Whoa, don't go there. Don't go to town. Should you be able to get in this bed and sleep in it? It's actually kind of funny. Try it out. Why does this not go on the floor here? Because of the UI? UI is not even visible. Yeah, I don't need any of this stuff. Can I just remove all components? I don't even want it to have, yeah, I don't want it to have that. I don't want it to have this. Nothing. Just be a model. Those do nothing. All right, what other furniture items do I have in the game that you can buy? Let's just look at them all. Bathtub. You don't really buy a bathtub at a antique furniture store, do you? A buffet table. That you do. Oh, the collider on this is really stupid. Okay, I do want to bring back collider. I think I've lost my steam for the night. I think I'm gonna call it. I'll just do a Hail Mary and open up my model pack that might have some furniture sort of stuff. And then I'm gonna call it. So here we have living room, workout room, kitchen, playroom. I mean, all this furniture can be thrown in there. There's so much stuff. It's kind of overwhelming, actually. Just look at all these decorations. Yeah, this is so much. All right, I'm a little overwhelmed by it. We're gonna start with this though. That's fine. Done. All right, we're gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. Everybody, I appreciate you hanging out with me on this Monday evening. Where should we go? We can go right back to Fallon here. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna go check out Fallonier's game. working on Falconeer Fantasy. Seriously, thank you for the raids tonight. Thank you for hanging out. Thanks for the suggestions. Thank you again to all the alpha testers. Oh, wait a minute. Is Falconeer logging off? Something weird is happening with his stream. Is he calling it? Maybe not. I don't know. I think it's just a redeem. Oh, he's eating or something. That's his eating thing. Yeah, Sundown. Thanks for the raid, and thanks to everyone who shared stuff. Really appreciate it. I'll catch you tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow morning, bright and early. Maybe I'll have some more inspiration on how to design this antique shop. All right, peace, y'all.